How to remove your Amazon account from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can remove your Amazon account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to remove your Amazon account from other devices, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Amazon application and log into your account. Tap on this little account icon that you would be able to find over here. Then once you tap on that account icon, you will see this interface. Then just go to your account again. Now from the your account page, just look for an option that says devices and tap on it. Under devices you can see these account: Prime Video account, Amazon account, Amazon Music, or Alexa. So if you want to remove your Amazon account from other devices, select Amazon. Now here you can see those devices. All you have to do is tap on deregister, then tap on deregister to remove that devices. So you can go ahead and select that. Just tap on deregister option if you want to remove all those devices. This way you can remove your Amazon account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.